Welcome to Elegantly Designed by B. In today's video, I'm participating in the Take Me to Paris 2020 collab, hosted by 5 beautiful and talented ladies. Host, Diva Decorating. Co-hosts, me, myself, and DIYing it, Cynthia Shesobless, Mistress Albertus, and Lynn Lifestyle Living. Be sure to visit and subscribe to their channel, and the link to their channels are listed below. The rules for this collab was to design a tablescape using Eiffel Tower in the color pink. In my video, I'm going to show you the items I use for my tablescape and the complete look of my Take Me to Paris 2020 tablescape collab. In my tablescape, I DIY'd the box silver frame. I used 4 frames from Dollar Tree and 1 mirror. I Mod Podged it and added glitter, and around the frame I added silver bling wrap, and the glass are attached to all sides of the frames. Inside I included pink and white floral arrangement that sits inside of a crystal candle holder. For 4 of the place settings, I used silver placemat, pink glass charger plates, black and white dinner plates, pink and black floral design salad plates, white saucer, black napkins, and pink flatware. For the head table, I designed it a little different. Instead, I added the black salad plates, white bowl, the silver sequence napkin, to tie it in with the centerpiece and the black flatware. I also used the black stem champagne and wine glass for all 6 settings. To complete the design, I added the pink rosebuds to all place settings. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed. so